Explore authentic user reviews of Tesla vehicles from around the globe. Hear what owners of the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X have to say about their driving experiences. Discover Tesla's cutting-edge technology, outstanding performance, and eco-friendly attributes through the eyes of real users. These reviews will inspire you if you're considering joining the electric vehicle revolution. Enjoyed our video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Automobile Tesla Model 3, acclaimed worldwide for its performance, affordability, and long range. Sport utility vehicle Tesla Model Y, beloved by families for its spacious interior and practicality. Automobile Tesla Model S, a perfect blend of luxury and performance, renowned for its long range. Sport utility vehicle Tesla Model X, a luxurious SUV featuring a spacious interior and unique Falcon Wing doors. In this video, you'll hear genuine reviews from Tesla owners in the USA, UK, Germany, Spain, Japan, Italy, France, Mexico, Russia, and Australia. Discover why Tesla's vehicles are celebrated globally. David, USA. The Tesla Model S has completely transformed my driving experience. Its performance and acceleration are incredible. Additionally, its long range makes long trips much easier and more enjoyable. Sophie, UK. The luxurious interior and large screen of the Model S are truly impressive. The in-car technology puts everything at your fingertips. Additionally, the car's quietness and comfort are excellent. Klaus, Germany. The acceleration and handling of the Model S on the highway are fantastic. Besides its performance, the charging times are also quite satisfying. It's a masterpiece of engineering by Tesla. Lucia, Spain. I really like the minimalist and modern interior design of the Model S. Additionally, the car's eco-friendliness and low operating costs are a great advantage. Hiroshi, Japan. The safety features and autonomous driving capabilities offered by the Tesla Model S are really impressive. My family and I always feel safe in it. Additionally, its range is quite long. Marco, Italy. The aesthetic and sleek design of the Model S is truly eye-catching. The quality of the interior and the materials used are top-notch. It combines performance and comfort. Camille, France. The energy efficiency and low carbon footprint of the Tesla Model S have really impressed me. Additionally, the interior comfort and spaciousness make every journey enjoyable. Javier, Mexico. Driving the Model S is incredibly enjoyable. Its responsive motor and quiet ride make for an excellent driving experience. Additionally, the large trunk space is very practical. Natalia, Russia. The Model S performs excellently even in winter conditions. The heated seats and efficient heating system provide comfortable driving in cold weather. Additionally, its range is quite satisfying. Oliver, Australia. The spacious interior and luxurious features of the Tesla Model S provide great comfort on long journeys. Additionally, its fast charging capability and extensive charging network allow us to keep going. This car is truly an engineering marvel.